For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign onto Schoology and click the link. It should take you to a screen that looks like mine. For today's lesson, you are going to be sorting words based on the letter or letter combinations that create the sound ah. As you can see, there are 6 of them listed. These are the same 6 that we discussed earlier in today's lesson. We have O, AU, AUGH, AL, AW, and OUGH. I'm sure you're wondering what words you should be sorting and typing. That will be on slide number 2. We have all of these words here. Make sure you separate the words based on the correct letter or letter combinations that represent ah. There will be more than one word typed under each letter or letter combination. For example, almost has the AL, so I will go back to the slide 1, click in AL, and start typing almost. ALMOST, almost. When you are completed and have sorted all of these words, make sure you click Submit Assignment for your teacher to grade.